Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Simpsons palette that I got from Makeup Revolution. It does say Treehouse of Horror, and on the back it says the Spooktakular shadow palette. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. There are so many color combinations that I'm excited to try out with this palette. So today I wanted kind of like a darker vibe. I did go ahead and use the Lippy from ColourPop. It's in the shade Hello Boys and it's a black. I don't know what the issue is, but it keeps like building up on the corners of my lips and it's kind of driving me a little crazy. I also got this little palette. This is the Raven Bart. So this is what the inside of this palette looks like, and I am really excited to play with this, like especially this shade down here. I think that this is going to be such a cute grungy palette. I'm so excited. So my friend John was actually the one that picked these up for me. He works at Ulta in the salon. He used to be my salon manager before I left Ulta. But yeah, I had called him yesterday because I was trying to buy these online, but for some reason the past 2 days Ulta's having issues with their systems and you can't, I haven't been able to purchase anything online to pick up in store. So yeah, I called him, he pulled through for me. I did go to Ulta today because like I said, for some reason their system's not working and I can't do online orders. But I got this palette, which I'm gonna use tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like keep it secret for right now. What is happening in the corner of my mouth right now? There it is. Lipstick all over my teeth. It's all over my face. What? So anyways, I don't know how much of that I had lipstick on my teeth. I'm praying not a lot, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Are you gonna try and get this palette? I really like it. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun to play with. When I went to Ulta, I saw ColourPop's Hocus Pocus line in the store, and I ordered stuff from this Hocus Pocus line the day that it was released, and I'm still waiting for it. So I'm pretty upset. I'm not really upset, I'm just irritated because I want it to get here already, you know? I have a palette video that I want to put up, and I'm literally waiting for one palette so that I can post it. I'm like so paranoid I'm gonna have black lipstick on my teeth. I don't really know about this. It seems to be getting everywhere and it's kind of driving me crazy. I saw it on my face a second ago, so not really sure what's happening there. I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video here. I will be back tomorrow with another video using that Morphe palette. So yeah, and then eventually the little Bart palette. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos. I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, my hair's stuck. Anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.